So one of the questions we get asked all the time is, how do you sell a home that needs work? Stay tuned. I'm Darius Ramsey.
And I'm James Rhoads. We're the Ramsey Rhoads Group here at Berkshire Hathaway in Camp Hill, PA.
The selling process is already difficult enough, right? We are in a very, very changing market. We're starting to see inventory increase a little bit. But let's say you have a house that you know that needs some work. So what we want to do is offer you 3 tips on what you can do to get your home sold even when the home needs some work.
Absolutely. So one of the tips, number 1, is consider getting yourself a pre-list home inspection. It's obviously already a law that you're going to want to disclose any defects and obviously those upgrades and updates you have done, but sometimes it's very beneficial for you to go ahead and get somebody to come in, do a pre-list home inspection so you can lay all your cards on the table and start to market the property, that you know what's going on with the property, put it right out in front of for a buyer and make everything known up front.
And you can also pick and choose what you choose to repair,
or
not at all. Once again, you want to actually look at what the repairs are before deciding whether or not you want to do anything with them.
Absolutely.
Number 2, you can always consider selling to an investor. There are investors all across Dauphin Company, York, South Central Pennsylvania. There are investors out there looking for properties like yours that they can go ahead and take on. Granted, you'll be selling at a discount, but at the end of the day, it's going to be less of a headache. Most times they'll offer you cash and close within a couple of weeks so they can help you get out of that situation.
Absolutely. And the third thing is you got to be realistic with your price. I know we all have high hopes and dreams for the biggest price possible, biggest sticker on your property. But at the end of the day, you got to be realistic. Be careful with the sources that you are finding that information from. I'm not going to name anything specifically, but you got to lean on your professionals, the people who really know the market, and you just got to be realistic. And we got to weigh the pros and the cons of a top-end listing price and a low-end listing price and what could happen in either case.
So if you have any questions whatsoever, or you're in a situation where you do have a home that you need to sell, the home is not in great condition, feel free to reach out to us. We do know a ton of investors. We know people that can help fix up your home. We just have a wealth of information and networking through the years that we've been doing this business. So we're happy to help you in any way that we can. As always, if you guys have any questions, any topics that you want us to comment on, make sure that you drop a comment, shoot us a DM, send us a text message, any other form of communication. We're trying to figure out how to work in chat GPT.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to figure that part out too.
Yeah.
So as always, thank you for watching, and we will see you guys in 2 weeks.
2 weeks. See y'all.